Good morning, traders, and welcome back to the situation update. Thursday morning, and we're looking at the dollar Japanese yen. Right back to it. We've been here just yesterday, but I guess there was a big move and I had to come back and give you a bit of an update. When I was talking about the dollar Jap yesterday, it was just at the beginning of the day. Price was just basically breaking 109.80. I was pretty excited about that. And what I did was I bulked up that position like significantly, right? I took the position from $10,000 to $40,000, and on my mind was 109.25 as a secondary target. So we're still in the position, right? The position is still alive, but we took it down from $40,000 back to 10. Why? Because of that 109.25, which I've mentioned just yesterday, and probably before even, but yesterday was it was actually imminent. And I was talking about 109.25 as for partial execution in the case price will show price will struggle, right? Price will not be able to cross over easily, which it didn't. Yesterday we've seen when we came back today, looking back at yesterday, we saw that big reaction, right? So we decided to cut the position pretty much by 75%, right? So 30% was out. We took a nice profit, obviously, on the way out, but we don't think that's the end of the story. We think price action is just stalling a little bit, finding some support naturally finding some support, but it will make it. We think it will break down, and we'll pass that test with flying colors, so to speak. We're just waiting for that moment. In the meantime, we felt it was going to be wiser not only to take profit at that spot, but also, of course, to reduce the exposure significantly in case that level is actually going to hold and push price action into a complete reversal. In that case, we want to be out of there as fast as possible, right? So we're going to give price action, we're going to give the dollar Jap here a day, maybe a couple of days. But we definitely need to see price action kind of, beginning to break down, right? And it has to happen. Otherwise, if we're going to see that upside reversal starting to take shape, that's going to be our cue to split. Alright guys, so it's getting very interesting here with the dollar Jap. Took a bit of quite a lot of profit at just yesterday, but we're still in the game. And if we can pass that obstacle 109.25, we're gonna get back to being aggressive and try to catch the rest of the way to 108.30, which is our final destination and primary target. Alright guys, so there you go. Necessary update on the dollar Japanese yen. Hope you enjoyed it. We're going to be back with the next one, talking about another existing position we have in the market, which is the euro versus the pound. So don't miss out on that one. See you in the next video.